家好呀，欢迎回来。我们这周继续讲 Stage 3 Term 4 Legendary Heroes 哪吒 and 沉香. So last week we talked about the hero 哪吒 and you'll check out the reading of the story 哪吒闹海. So today we are going to start with the lesson 2 of this unit. So that's the unit overview. We've done that last week. Now for lesson 2, during this lesson you will explore the costumes that legendary heroes wear and then design a legendary hero costume You will learn the costume vocabulary. You'll be doing the following activities. First, costume vocabulary. Second, research legendary heroes costume. Then, define legendary heroes costume's purpose. After that, design a legendary hero costume. And the last one, describe why and how did you design the costume. So there are altogether 7 vocabularies that we are going to learn today. The first one is 服装, the clothes, the costume. 服装, or you can say clothing, that's the same word too. 服装. Then, 服装 are normally made by 布, the cloth. 布. After that, with 布, we can also make the very cool 披风. On your costume, you might also have 口袋, the pocket or the pouch. 口袋. Then, to wear the robe or your costume, you might have 带子. So that you can put that on your waist, you can put that on your shoulder. 带子, that's a belt. So you have 口袋, you also have 扣子. So that's a knot when you tie your rope together. 扣子. After that, you might have a button on you might have some buttons, or you might have one button on your costume. So that's 纽扣. 纽 means twist. So 纽扣 is the one that you twist over and go over to put it together. 纽扣. 扣子 can be like the snap 扣子. It can be, there are different designs of 扣子. You can have the hook ones go together. But 纽扣 is normally the one that you have to go around and then twist it together. So that's a link of the Quizlet that we'll be doing this week. You have all these words together. That's for you to practice with. For vocabulary, we're also going to have a writing activity today. So the words we are going to do is, let's have a look. First one, 服装. Second one, so costume. Oh, actually it has the English word on top already with the pinyin as well. When you do the writing, don't forget to write your pinyin as well. After 服装, that's 布. And then you have 披风. That's a word to write together. When you write your word, follow the guide. So that tells you how to write it stroke by stroke. So let's see. The first one is, now, so follow the line. 服. From the left to the right, from the top to the bottom. 服. Okay, so that should be good enough. Oh, perfect. 服装. Don't forget your pinyin. 装. From the top to the bottom, from the left to the right. Then you do it yourself again here. 服装. Perfect. Now activity 2. You start with a question. Why do legendary heroes wear a costume? So why do they all have a costume? Some of them have things like armor. Some of them have clothing. But why do they all have their unique costume? Does it have any power? Or is there special cultural value to the clothes? Yeah, so think about why do they have different designs. Then refer to the above legendary heroes. Why do they wear a costume? So 4 reasons why they wear the special costume. Is it just because they look cool? Or do they have a special function? Write your reasons down. After that, you will imagine you are a legendary hero. Design a costume for yourself. So what do you think you are going to wear as a legendary hero? So think about what kind of legendary hero you're gonna be, and then what kind of function does your clothes have? Oh, this is legendary one. Color in. So are you wearing armor, or are you wearing a dress? So think what you are going to wear. And then after you finish your design, in activity 3, you will be asking to explain why and how did you design your legendary hero costume. You may respond in English, so write down, I designed my costume, or 我设计这套衣服 is because 因为它看上去很酷. It looks very cool. It looks very awesome. Or it has a very special power. 很酷. Cool. So that's cool. It even sounds the same. Okay, now, but don't write a big cool just here. You need to have a few reasons. Write down at least 3. Let's make it 3. 3 is a good number. 3个 reason why. Does it look cool? It has a special power. It can open up a wormhole and make me travel everywhere in the galaxy. So think about a reason why. Now for extension, or if you would like a challenge, you can do this activity. Now this activity will ask you to draw a line to match the top component with the corresponding bottom component to form the correct Chinese character. Then write the character on the box in matching with the correct pinyin. Oh wow, so that's 2 parts of the activity. So if you have a look of the words, they're all parts of the words. They're missing some parts, and the missing parts are here. Now, so what you can do is you can go back to page 2, have a look of all the words. Then, so for example, the 牛, the zigzag, 旁边是一个丑 ugly. It looks like a leather. So you're climbing up. 牛. All right, let's remember that word. So the zigzag first. Do your eyes see the zigzag anywhere? Oh, wait. It's here. Okay, so these formal parts are the blue ones. They are the main parts of the words. And that's normally the part that tells you what that word is. If it's a piece of clothes, they have the zigzag part. 狮字旁. Right? Then we are going to find the leather. That's 月, moon, 口, 衣, no, 带, 提手旁. That's the leather, 丑. We are going to join them together. And then what you need to do is have a look. In the first box, the pinyin says 牛 N-I-U, 牛. So what we are going to do is we're going to put them together. Oh. Yeah, let's try black, sorry. Black, it looks clear. So zig, zag, and the leather 丑 牛. So that's extension. But if you can't do some of it, it's okay. What you need to do is just to go back to the second page and refer to the table here. Then you'll be able to figure out the words and find the correct part. So match them and find the correct pinyin for them. Okay, one more thing I forgot to mention is there will be a link on the first page for this lyrics video of a song about Superman. In that song, you'll be able to learn the words like payphone and other words related to the costume of a hero. So yeah, definitely have a look of the lyrics video with the Ping, English and the Chinese lyrics. Yeah, that's it. Bye.